In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF searchable Adobe Acrobat tutorial. If you've ever received a scanned or image-based PDF and found that you can't search or copy the text, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to fix that using Adobe Acrobat's built-in OCR, or Optical Character Recognition. We'll go through the main method most people use, and then I'll show you an alternative using the Enhance feature. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat and opening the PDF that isn't currently searchable. With the file open, head to the Tools menu, usually located at the top left, and select Scan and OCR. This is the workspace designed specifically for recognizing text in scanned documents. Next, click Recognize Text and choose in this file. This tells Acrobat to analyze the current PDF and convert the text it finds into a selectable, searchable layer. Before you run it, click the Settings button. Here, you can select the document language, which is important for accuracy. Make sure it matches the language of your PDF so Acrobat can correctly interpret characters, accents, and special symbols. You can also choose the output style. A great choice for most people is Searchable Image. This keeps your document looking exactly like the original, same layout, fonts, and images while adding a hidden text layer behind the scenes. That way, you get full searchability without altering the visual appearance. Once those settings look good, click Recognize Text to run the OCR. Depending on the length and quality of your document, this may take a moment. When it's finished, your PDF now contains real, searchable text beneath the page images. To preserve your original file and keep a clean version of your new searchable copy, go to File. Then Save As. And save your new searchable PDF with a clear name. If you prefer an alternative workflow, you can use Enhance in the right-hand pane. Open your PDF, click Enhance. Choose Scan Document and make sure Recognize Text is checked. Then click Enhance. Acrobat will perform the OCR while also applying optimization for scanned pages, which can help with clarity and readability on lower quality scans. That's it. Thanks for watching.